You'll unlock following assets instantly by joining the MugJam Assets Club. 12 additional templates. You'll instantly unlock 12 high-quality templates. Each template has gone through the following stages: niche selection, copywriting, story, graphics, animation, voiceovers, music. These templates will get activated in your MugJam account as soon as you are a MugJam Assets Club member. Training plus tools: how to create realistic AI-generated human photos and use them to generate unlimited MugJams. You'll get complete training and AI tools to help you easily create unlimited professional-grade fake human photos to help you create stunning MugJams with the facial features that you personally prefer. Access to millions of stock image. We've integrated with some of the best resources for stock photos and videos on the planet to give you unending access to professional videos and stock photos with full commercial rights. Higher priority for template requests. MugJam's diverse collection of categories means a lot of room for new template ideas. However, as our MugJam Asset Club member, we will put your request at the top priority than any other MugJam users, so you can see your requests come to life faster than any other MugJam users. 1 additional template each month. Each template costs us hundreds to make, and with MugJam Assets Club, we will add 1 new template to your account every single month. So you will always have unique templates at your disposal. 3 extra background music each month. A great background track can make an immense impact on the overall experience of your viewers. With Assets Club, we'll add 3 amazing background tracks to your MugJam account, so you'll always create videos with the best background tracks. 30 days money-back guarantee. We're 100% confident that you're going to absolutely love MugJam Assets Club, and it will help your online business that we're offering an unconditional, no question asked 30-day money-back guarantee. If for whatever reason does not satisfy you in any way, simply send us an email within 30 days from your purchase and we'll refund you right away. So, if for any reason you're not happy, you can get your money back within 30 days. Simply contact us and we will process your refund right away. Give MugJam Assets Club a try right now. You have nothing to lose.